look, I'm in my PJs. All right, so here's my present. I can only open one because that's my tradition on Christmas Eve. Sorry, just 7 days away from New Year's Eve. Okay, let's see what I get. What do I get here in this bag? Oh my. Okay, what do I get? Oh my god, what's this? A Bengals jersey! I got a Bengals jersey. I got a Joe Burrow jersey. Mom.
Yeah?
I got a Joe Burrow jersey.
Oh my gosh, open it up, dude.
Hold up. Let me open it first. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Come on. Oh my god.
Why don't you go get some scissors or something?
Yes. Let me get some scissors to open.
Where are you going?
I'm going to your office.
Don't we have some over here in the kitchen somewhere? Or no?
Let me see.
Alright, go in my office. I'm sure that I have some in my office.
Yes, I know. I've been in your office.
Okay. Did you find it?
Yes, I just opened it.
Oh, excellent.
Okay.
Alright, let's see.
For my viewers, here it is. Look at this, Mom. Look at this.
You like it?
I like it.
OMG.
Oh yes. I just got me a Joe Burrow jersey. Oh my goodness, this is the great Christmas Eve present that I got. Oh my god. You cannot believe it. So, Merry Christmas. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas Day unboxing. Bye.